Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, let us learn to inspect and overhaul the steering boxes, adjust the steering gear backlash, preload and adjust the toe in, toe out, camber angle, caster angle, kingpin inclination and wheel runout. By the end of this video, you will be able to dismantle the steering gearbox, inspect the parts of the steering gearbox, assemble the steering gearbox, adjust the backlash and preload in the steering gearbox, fit the steering box on the vehicle and the steering wheel, check toe in, toe out, check the camber angle, check the caster angle and kingpin inclination. Let us collect the tools, equipment and material required for this. Trainees toolkit 1, plastic hammer 1, torque wrench 1, dial indicator 1, wheel alignment gauge 1 set, vehicle 1, gasket as required, gear oil as required, kerosene as required, oil seal as required and rubber bushes as required. Dismantle the steering gearbox. Drain the steering gearbox oil by removing the drain plug. Remove the oil filter plug. Loosen the lock nut of the adjusting screw by 1 or 2 threads. Remove the side cover. Remove the side cover packing. Remove the roller shaft from the assembly. Remove the outer column upper cover with the shims. Remove the upper side bearing from the housing. Remove the bottom end cover with the shims and packing. Remove the lower bearing from the housing. Remove the horn wire tube. Remove the inner column worm gear shaft assembly. Remove the side oil seal. Cleaning and inspection. Clean all the parts with kerosene oil. Inspect the following parts visually: bearings for pitting and overheating, rocker shaft and inner column for pitting or wear, steering housing for cracks and enlargement of mounting holes. Replace the defective parts. Check the bend of the inner column with the help of V-blocks and a dial indicator. Replace the inner column of the bend if found to be more than the specified limit recommended by the manufacturer. Assembling. Check the bush for its free movement on the roller shaft. Fix the bush on the side cover of the steering gearbox. Fix the bush on the steering gearbox body. Check for free movement of the rocker shaft in the bush by rotating the rocker shaft by hand. Fix a new ball bearing at the bottom of the housing. Refit the worm gear shaft inner column in the housing. Fix the upper ball bearing in the housing. Fix the top housing cap with the shims. Adjust the backlash and preload. Tighten the top housing cap screws at the specified torque. Check the preload of the inner column. To increase the preload, reduce the thickness of the shims. Insert the rocker shaft in the housing. Place the side cover gasket. Place the side cover. Tighten the side cover screws at the specified torque. Fix the lower ball bearing in the housing. Place the bottom cover gasket and shims. Place the bottom cover and tighten the bottom cover screws. Fix the adjusting screw. Adjust the preload of the roller shaft by loosening or tightening and then adjusting the screw as per the manufacturer's recommendation. Tightening the adjusting screw will increase the preload. Lock the adjusting screw after adjusting the preload. Fix the outer column on the steering housing. In this video, we have learned to dismantle the steering gearbox, inspect the parts of the steering gearbox, assemble the steering gearbox, adjust the backlash and preload in the steering gearbox, fit the steering box on the vehicle and the steering wheel, check toe in, toe out, check the camber angle, check the caster angle and kingpin inclination. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.